Hey guys, hope you are doing well. Welcome to Agri Silvi. Today's our topic is flower and garden shows in India. It's part 2. Already part 1 is there. I will provide you link in the description box. You can go there and watch. So here we discuss all the flowers and garden shows in India which are most important for DDA, SO, AFO and many ICR competitive examination, and also those people who are keeping horticulture as a specialization, and this topic comes under ornamental horticulture. Let's start. First one is Mughal Garden, Pinjore, Haryana. We already studied in flower and garden show part 1 the Mughal Garden of Kashmir. There are many interesting features in Mughal Garden of Pinjore also. First one, it is built by Fidai Khan. Fidai Khan is the foster brother of Aurangzeb. Aurangzeb, you know, is a very powerful king. He killed his own brothers to become a ruler. And the original name of that Mughal garden was Panchapura. That is Panjapura. Panjapura means 5 Pandavas. You can see 5 Pandavas in Mahabharata. So this concept come from Mahabharata. And there are more important tourist attraction is 6 terrace. There is 6 terrace. What do you mean by terrace? You can find in my first lecture. And another interesting thing is 40 mundas. 40 mundas, each mundas weight about 37 kg of red roses. It is a very heavy weight. You can see a gather of roses is around 37 kg. It is a very huge weight. And 3 magnificent buildings are also there, named as Sirs Mahal, Rang Mahal and Jala Mahal. This is the picture of that Mughal garden Pinjore. You can see very nice picture. And this is the National Botanical Research Institute. It is present in Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. Then comes to Taj Mahal. It is a very famous garden. This is the main tourist attraction of India. It is in Agra, we all know. It was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in the memory of Mumtaz, his beloved wife. And it is a formal style garden. You can see there are many styles like formal style, informal style and other styles are there. If you want to know what are the styles and other things, you can see my first part 1 video. There clearly mentioned the different styles. And that Taj Mahal garden is nearer to Yamuna river. Yamuna river water flowed in Taj Mahal garden, and that makes a very aesthetic view. And the tomb in Vista. Tomb is, you know, that after death, for the memory of that death we make a tomb. And Vista is the visual percept of any garden. Most desirable feature of a park means the beautiful view. You can say the beautiful view is the vista. The tomb is placed in such a way that it's the beautiful view of that Taj Mahal garden. Okay, then comes to NBRI, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. It is not only a garden, it is a conservation center, educational purpose also, and bioaesthetic. Bioaesthetic means we can use many ornamental plants, horticultural plants, shrubs, trees and many other botanical structure to make that NBRI beautiful. Popularly it is known as Sikandrabad. You should remember the name Sikandrabad. And Nawab Sadat Ali Khan was the builder, and it was further improved by Nawab Ajit Ali Shah. And there you can find 5000 taxa and which represents 212 families. 212 families are there. Just imagine. Now comes to Chandigarh Rose Garden. This is the picture of Chandigarh Rose Garden. This is the largest rose garden in Asia, and it was built by Dr. M.S. Randhwa. Total 60,000 roses are there, out of which 5,000 roses are outstanding cultivars, means outstanding varieties. You can see here. This is the main place of tourist attraction in Chandigarh. In winter season, when there is a flower exhibition, many people throughout country come to see that flower exhibition. There is another famous garden in Chandigarh also. It is called Rock Garden of Chandigarh. This is also called Ekchans Rock Garden. Why it is called Ekchans? Because it was founded by Nekchan. So according to his name, the Rock Garden of Chandigarh is otherwise called Ekchans Rock Garden. Here one main interesting feature is that the artwork has been made by using industrial and urban waste. There you can see one man-made waterfall. There are many empty bottles, tin, etc. are used for the making of aesthetic view of that waterfall. Indian Botanical Garden, Kolkata. It is in West Bengal. Now the name of Indian Botanical Garden changed. Now it is Jagdish Chandra Bose Botanical Garden. We all know Jagdish Chandra Bose was a freedom fighter, and this garden was established on the suggestion of Robert Cade. He was an army man in the period of British India, and it is under Botanical Survey of India, which is under Ministry of Environment and Forest. So why this garden is so important? Because in world class botanical garden ranking, the name of Indian Botanical Garden is there, and many ecologists, many botanists, many very higher ranker personalities are working in this garden. And there are two main features are there. One is a giant 200-year-old banyan tree. You can see in this garden. The banyan tree, scientific name of banyan tree is Ficus bengalensis. That is around 200 years. And one giant lily also there. This is Victoria regia, scientific name. And that giant lily is such that that lily leaf can hold the weight of a baby. And another garden in West Bengal is Lyodor Botanical Garden, Darjeeling. It was built by Sir George Cain, and also it was rectified by William Lloyd. And one interesting thing I want to share with you, that most famous that phylogenetic classification in the way Bentham and Hooker classification. Bentham and Hooker was working once upon a time in Indian Botanical Garden, Kolkata. This is the giant banyan tree you can see here, and this is the giant lily. People are telling that that leaf can carry a weight of a baby. Now comes to the Sims Park, Kannur. It is in Tamil Nadu, and Kannur is a hill station. As like Darjeeling, West Bengal, we already see. Darjeeling also a hill station, and Darjeeling is famous for tea. Now recently Darjeeling tea got GI tag also. And here we are talking about Kannur. That Sims Park is made according to English landscape style. If you don't know what is English landscape style, you should see my first part 1 video. There British style, Italian style, Persian style and other styles are clearly explained. Then comes to the Ramoji Film City Garden, Hyderabad. This is the world's largest integrated film studio complex, and here you can see many gardens, starting from Japanese garden to Italian garden, Persian garden. Varieties of gardens are there. Finally comes to MCQ section. Our main focus is to solve those MCQs. If you understand well of my whole lecture, then I hope you can solve all these questions. These questions are very easy, not much difficult, but you should revise my first part 1 video lecture also. Some questions are from that video also. So you just revise once and try to solve this. Rashtrapati Garden was laid out in the pattern of there are many patterns are there: Mughal pattern, Persian pattern, English pattern, British pattern. So you should know what are the different type of pattern. And a Lal Bagh Garden, about some Lal Bagh Garden we already discussed in part 1 video. And Vrindavan Garden also we discussed in part 1 video. And this is the match of the following, means these are the garden name and these are the location. You have to match. You just remember. You can download this PowerPoint. I will provide you link in the description box, and I will provide you link of part 1 also in description box and also in this slide also. So you just focus on study. All the best for your exam. Thank you.